Affiliate marketing for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing and what it actually is. So basically, let's start off with what is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is when you're going to take a product, okay? You're going to take a product off of some store or, you're going to take a product off of some provider or vendor. So let's say I'm going to give you Amazon as a great reference on this. So I'm going to go to Amazon.com. On Amazon.com, let's say I'm going to go to these accessories. Now over here, you have these products. So let's say I choose this product, okay? These Razer headsets. So this product over here, let's say I'm affiliating this. So what's going to happen? When we're affiliating this, they will give me a personal private link, okay? And that link will basically have a private product key. Now, that product key is, if I send this link to people, that product key will have my name in it. So anyone who buys this product through that link will tell the providers that, okay, they went through my link. And what that will do is I will get a small, you could say, cut out of this money. So from the $40, I might get $4 or I might get $3. So, I'm just, telling people to buy this stuff and they're going to buy it and I'm going to get money for it. So that's affiliate marketing. So one of the best platforms to do this is, Amazon. Then there's, CJ affiliate, there's Drop affiliate, and there's all these other affiliate marketing platforms. You can also become affiliate for other brands like Nike and all. But in my opinion, the best is Amazon. So start your affiliation and get money. That's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Amazon affiliate marketing. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Amazon and how you can become an affiliate marketer for Amazon in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. Okay, and this is going to be the easiest and most simplest tutorial, and I'm going to be walking you through in great detail and depth. Okay, so to start things off, what you are going to want to be doing is you're going to go to Amazon Associates Central. Okay, so here's Amazon Associates Central. It's basically Amazon's very own affiliate program where you can sign up with Amazon's affiliate program. It's a three-step process. So there's the first step where you can join tens and thousands of creators, then recommend their products and earn. So you're going to sign up with your Amazon account. Once you do that, you're going to get a different suite over here where you can go on any product and get an Amazon product key link. So let's say I want to go with these Razer headsets and I want to go ahead and become an affiliate market for them. So I'm going to copy their link off. And once I copy their link off, then I can actually become an affiliate marketer by sending them out in, different websites like Shopify or anything like that. So you're going to want to sign up through this section and you're going to get actual revenue and generation. So that's how you're going to become an Amazon affiliate marketer. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. ClickBank affiliate marketing. Hello everyone. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we are going to go ahead and start off with ClickBank and become an affiliate marketer. Okay, now to start affiliating on ClickBank, what you are going to want to do is you're going to make sure to go ahead and have an account with ClickBank. Now, if you know how to use ClickBank, you're going to know that it's basically for affiliates. So, what affiliation is that affiliates basically take products off of some certain marketplace, and once they take those products off, after taking those products off, what you're going to do is you're going to become an affiliate for them. So you're going to take the link. In that link, you're going to have your product key. And after using that product key, you're going to send it around. You're going to let people know that, okay, there's this product and I want you to buy it. Okay, you're going to convince people to buy that product and you're going to get a chunk of money out of it. So you can actually customize your ClickBank experience. So, they're going to ask you all these things. You're going to fill in their questions. And once you fill in their questions, they're going to give you an account to work with. So you can become an affiliate pretty simply and pretty easily. And you can sell your product as well, acquire new customers with affiliation, and you have other proper seller sources as well. And here's the thing that affiliates can do. You can get affiliate overview, and there's different events, and you get really good revenue off. Okay, you get really good profit on ClickBank as well. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Pinterest affiliate marketing. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can become an affiliate for Pinterest and actually do affiliate marketing on your Pinterest account. So to do this for yourself, what you're going to be doing is first of all, you're going to come to Pinterest and you are going to create an account with Pinterest and you're going to want to make sure that you have a business account as I have over here. So as you can see, I've already started my affiliation and I have a lot of impressions, clicks, and saves. Now, to become an affiliate, what we're going to be doing is, first of all, we're going to go ahead to Amazon and become an affiliate for Amazon. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead to Amazon Associate Central, get the affiliation account. Once you do that, you're obviously gonna get your site suite. So let's say I want to affiliate for this brand over here. Okay, there's this Razer membrane switches gaming keyboard. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is when I become an affiliate for these people, what's gonna happen from here is it's gonna give me a lot of things to work with. So I'm going to go ahead, take the link off of this. Okay. Here I'm going to come to Pinterest. I'm going to click on create. I'm going to click on create pin. And once we click on create pin, obviously I'm going to upload a photo of this keyboard. Then I'm going to add the title and all these separate things. And here, and add a link, I'm going to add the link of the actual, affiliation link that I have. And that's pretty much about it. So that's how you can become a Pinterest affiliate marketer. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.
Hi guys, in this video over here I'm going to show you how to use the new prompts for Bart AI. We previously had plenty of examples in case studies. You want to make sure you watch these videos as well. But in today's video we're going to hit the affiliate marketing business, and we're going to ask Bart AI to please rank the highest paying affiliate programs in the world that anyone can join today. Boom. Remember how the Bart AI works. It goes and it hits the Google search. It collects all the data based on blog posts, comments, videos, generates that, summarizes that, and spits these results that we're seeing over here. While ranking the absolute highest paying affiliate programs can be tricky due to the variation, commission structure, niche dependence, here are some of the top contenders that generally open to anyone. High ticket sale as a service products. HubSpot, marketing sales and service platform with diverse plans ranging from $45 to over $10,000 a month, offering recurring commissions of up to 100%. Check this out. Ask somebody sign up for the most expensive program, which is $10,000 according to the $10,000 a month according to the Bart AI. This is recurring, meaning that if the client continues to pay $10,000 a month, well, you're gonna get $10,000 a month. Unbelievable. I know that. SEMrush, SEO, search engine optimization and marketing toolkit with plans from $99 to $499 a month, providing recurring commissions of up to 40%. This is very, very good. Just think about, they pay for the lowest $100, right? And you're going to get 40%, right? This is up to 40%, but let's, for the sake of this example, every month they pay 100, every month you get 40 without doing anything. And just think about, you have 100 affiliates, you got 4K, guys. Absolutely passive. Third option over here is ClickFunnels. Yeah, we're not big fan of ClickFunnels, my personal opinion, but let me give you the rundown. Sales funnels, landing page builder, from $97 to $297, up to 40%. Shopify, e-commerce platform with plans from $29 to $299. It's a very good platform actually, guys. I really like Shopify. Offering recurring commissions of up to 20%. That's a good one. Big commerce, e-commerce platforms with plans of $29 to $300. So from $30 to $300, offering 20% recurring commission. Recurring subscription service is Teachable. It's very good. Bluehost, very good. $65 per share. Per sale. NordVPN, 40%. Grammarly. E-commerce marketplace, Amazon Associates. That's very, very good, guys. I mean, I believe whoever reads or watches this video will give 10 out of 10 of Bart AI. Fantastic job. This is why, guys, you should like this video and subscribe to the channel. Hi guys, in today's video we're going to utilize another case study trying BART AI to give us the best results, and I'm gonna show you a couple of new prompts simply to get the most value possible. So in today's case study we're going to review and we're going to ask BART AI to create a growth strategy for our social medias. We're going to ask to create a growth strategy for TikTok, for a finance news channel, and we have to get 10,000 followers in the next 30 days. Please advise the steps and the plan. I think this is going to be an amazing piece of content, guys, because a lot of people wants to, join the Creativity Beta program, but they don't know how. This is it, okay? This video is gold. You wanna save this video and share this video with friends. According to BART AI, first of all, you wanna get to know your audience, identify your ideal viewer, okay? Second, content pillars, finance simplified, break down complex financial concepts into a very simple, very funny way that anyone would understand. Explain terms like inflation or diversification in a fun, informative way. Market updates and trends. Share quick daily or weekly updates of major financial news. Financial tips and tricks. Essentially, they want us to provide some advice, budgeting, saving, investing, basic things, show simple hacks and actionable steps that anyone can implement, interactive elements. Simply they want you to engage with the viewer by running polls, asking questions, challenge the viewers. Also they want us to humanize the finance world, meaning show the faces behind the channel, feature your team if you have team, of course. Content creation and posting, this is probably the most important part, the schedule. So aim for 2-3 daily posts during the peak engagement hours. I have plenty of videos, guys, to show you when is the best time to post on all of the social media platforms. I show you where to look and how you can actually place your content at the right time. They also ask us to utilize trending sounds and hashtags. Okay. Experiment with video formats. Tutorials, explainers, skits, interviews, behind the scenes. That's a cool idea, actually. High quality production, invest in good lighting, audio, visuals, and create professional looking content. Engaging, respond to comments, run contests and giveaways. That's also very, very popular. Collaborate with others, live Q&A, paid advertisement, tracking and analyzing, bonus tips, showcase success stories, promote across other platforms, stay informative, not manipulative, avoid clickbait or sensationalized headlines. Remember, reaching 10,000 followers in 30 days, it's an ambitious goal. Consistent high quality content, audience engagement, and strategic executions are essential. I think this is a very good plan, guys. Not crazy detailed, of course. I would say 6 out of 10, but I would say that this is pretty actionable. Anyone can read this and scratch their head and start working on the plan. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.